Hi, today we are going to see about relational operators in Java. So, relational operators are less than and greater than and less than or equal to and greater than or equal to and not equal to and equal. Okay, so relational operators, this will compare two operands. Okay. If the condition satisfies, this will return true value. If the condition fails, then this will return the false value. Okay. So let's check this. So I have created two integer variable, number 1 and number 2. Now we are going to apply the relational operators on these two operand. Okay. So here we can check number 1 is less than number 2. So this value we are going to check. Number 1 is less than number 2. Okay, so if the condition satisfies, then this will return true value. If the condition fails, this will return the false value. So as we know, number 1 is less than number 2. 5 is less than 10. So this is returning true value. Okay. The same way we can check the greater than. Number 1 is greater than number 2. So as we know, number 1 is less than number 2. So this condition is false. So if we execute, we will get the false value. Okay. If we exchange this, or number 1 is greater than number 2, then first condition will fail. So the value will be false and second one will be true. Okay. Next one is less than or equal to. So less than or equal to. Okay. This means whether the value can be either less than or equal. Okay. So here number 1 is greater than number 10. For checking this condition, we can make number 1 is less than number 2. So this will be obviously true. Okay. In some case, if we are giving 10, okay, this can be either less than or equal. The meaning of this less than or equal to is number 1 can be less than number 2, or number 1 can be equal to number 2. Okay. So we can check this. Okay. Now the condition is also true because this both are equal. Okay. This can be less than or both can be equal. Okay. The same for greater than or equal to. So greater than or equal, we are checking. So number 1 can be greater than number 2, or both can be equal. Now both can be equal, both are equal. So while running, we will get the true value. Otherwise, if this is greater than number 1 is greater than number 2, that time also we will get the true value. Okay. And the next one is we can go for equal. Okay. So we want to check whether both numbers are equal or not. In that case, we can use double equal to symbol. So this means this will compare whether number 1 is equal to number 2. Okay. Now both are not equal, so we will get the false value. Okay. If we are giving equal number, then we will get the true value. Okay. Last one is not equal to. So not equal to is reverse of equal. Okay. So if both the condition or both the numbers values are not equal, then this will return the true value. Okay. So if this is true, then this will be false. If this is false, then not equal to will be true. Okay. For purpose, we can give different number. So both are not equal. So number 1 is not equal to number 2 will be true, and this equal condition will become false. Thank you.